Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about a phenomenon that has the potential to change lives and build fortunes, the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is not just a stock market index, it's a pathway to financial freedom and prosperity. Investing in the S&P 500 has proven to be one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. Historically, it has delivered an average annual return of around 10% over the long term. While past performance is no guarantee of future results, this track record is impressive and speaks volumes about the power of consistent investing. What makes the S&P 500 so compelling is its diversity. It comprises 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States, spanning various industries and sectors. This diversity helps mitigate risks associated with individual stocks and provides stability to your investment portfolio. But here's the key: time. The magic of the S&P 500 lies in the compounding effect over time. By consistently investing a portion of your income into the S&P 500, you harness the power of compounding returns. As your investments grow, they generate returns of their own, which then reinvest and generate even more returns. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to exponential growth in your wealth. Imagine this: if you had invested just $1,000 in the S&P 500 30 years ago, it would have grown to over $20,000 today, even accounting for market fluctuations and economic downturns. Now, think about what could happen if you consistently invested more substantial amounts over time. The beauty of the S&P 500 is its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to be a financial wizard or have insider knowledge to invest in it. With the rise of online brokerage platforms, investing in the S&P 500 has never been easier or more affordable. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, the S&P 500 offers a level playing field for everyone. Of course, investing in the stock market carries risks, and the value of your investments can fluctuate. But history has shown that, despite occasional downturns, the S&P 500 has always bounced back stronger than before. In conclusion, the S&P 500 presents a remarkable opportunity for anyone willing to embrace the power of long-term investing. By staying disciplined, patient, and committed to your financial goals, you can harness the potential of the S&P 500 to build wealth and secure your financial future. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start early, stay the course, and let the S&P 500 work its magic. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you. If you enjoy the video and find the content engaging, we're thrilled that you like what you see. If the information provided resonates with you and you're eager for more, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Your support means a lot to us, and we're excited to have you as part of our community. Thank you for tuning in.